Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today I am back at my studio. So good to be back, everybody. But we're going to talk a little bit about Binance Coin and some of the FUD that came out while I was gone on my honeymoon, which was oh so wonderful. So good to be home, though, and Binance is getting attacked. Let's talk about some of these stories. Is there any validity behind these stories, and what is going to happen with Binance with some of these stories as they're breaking? In this video, we're going to cover that and more. If you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We are doing 5 videos every single day for you guys, but let's hop right in. So right now, guys, the market cap is really exactly where it was when I left about a week ago. So kind of different than what I had personally expected. I thought we'd have a little bit more volatility starting this new month of August. Now we're halfway through the month of August, and it's just really been very, very calm. Everybody's wondering what happens with Bitcoin and crypto next. Now, I believe that August and September should be a little bit bearish, so we still have room for that to happen. But Binance is the fourth biggest coin in the entire crypto market. It's got a $37 billion market cap, and it is very, very strong. In fact, if you look at the previous chart in the last bull market for this coin, and you look at the all-time chart, you will see, guys, that in the bear market, it did not crash as bad as some of the other tokens. If you just take a comparison, guys, this thing crashed about 70% versus some of these other tokens that crashed mostly above 80, above 90%. Most of these tokens crashed about 95% even. So all in all, Binance has been pretty darn strong, but yet here are some of the conversations you see going on in the media. NPR writing this article today: the future of crypto hinges on a fight between the SEC and a former burger flipper. So now they're reducing the multi-billionaire that is CZ, the founder and owner of this exchange, CEO, to a burger flipper, which he used to flip burgers. I think he used to work at a McDonald's, which is actually really, really crazy. Well, yes, now he's a billionaire. They acknowledge it, but they go into this and they kind of uncover some of the speculation and some of the negative stories, which was, Binance was accused of misleading investors and operating an unregistered and therefore illegal exchange, better known by his initials, CZ. Binance's CEO is accused of orchestrating an elaborate scheme to evade U.S. federal security laws. Whether or not this is true, this is still up in the air. Crypto people say, I don't know about that. People that hate crypto go, oh no, CZ's guilty, because it's very, very popular. And here you go. You see Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX in headlines because at the end of the day, he was a scammer. Everybody wants to shed negative light on crypto exchanges and crypto CEOs, specifically politicians that don't like it. And so I think that's leaking into the headlines here, which is why you get such a negative headline calling CZ, the very, very wealthy, successful entrepreneur and CEO of Binance, a burger flipper. Very interesting. Also saw this headline: why Binance is abandoning most of Europe, allegedly. Crypto firms only need regulatory approval in one European Union nation under new rules to serve all 27 in a single market, but some states are more prepared to implement MiCA regulation than others. So they're having an issue here, and MiCA is tough, and that's coming in the next year or so. It's just complicated. You see here, some countries like France and Germany are more prepared for MiCA than others, and which EU countries crypto firms choose for compliance will matter. And so essentially, guys, speculation, speculation, speculation. Now, is Binance in Europe in a big way? Well, a little bit. Not really. They are the world's largest crypto exchange, so they're clearly in a good spot. Now, remember, guys, they are the fourth largest crypto token in the entire market. So this, in my mind, is FUD. CZ would say the same thing. In fact, look at the stories of what Binance Labs is doing right now. They just invested, this is August 10th, guys, just a couple days ago while I was gone, $10 million to accelerate Helium Protocol's liquid staking pivot. They are growing in the DeFi space. They're throwing capital in new investments. Not to mention also CZ, to counter a hack recently for this Curve DAO token, invested another $5 million in here to stabilize the market. So they have cash. They have things in the pipeline they're ready to do. Recently, you saw them come out and some headlines were saying they're cutting their employee benefits. Well, let's face it, guys. It is a bear market. Exchanges aren't as profitable as they once were. So They can't give the benefits that they once used to give. For example, Crypto.com used to give great APYs on the earn feature that they had on their app. All those are gone. Why? Same reason, guys. It's a bear market. Yet, there is still money being invested from these major exchanges. Binance there with the $10 million story, and now a $5 million investment as well into this curved out token to counter the hack. But recently, they did become the first licensed crypto exchange in El Salvador, and the CEO of Binance was going out bragging about that, which was good to see. As for the price action for Binance versus Bitcoin in strength right now, it's doing pretty well. Nothing to write home about really, but looks like it is finding a bottom, and we've just been kind of waiting to see how this is going to form. Looks like it's struggling right now this week. I think that just comes from the August and September blues that crypto typically has. At the end of the day, Bitcoin right now is at a very, very critical level, guys. And what Binance does is heavily dependent on that, in my opinion, as we are on a new weekly candle officially as of 13 minutes ago and the time of this recording. Looks like we just closed a weekly green candle, so we could be getting a bounce here. But let's see how this next week pans out. Are we going to get a dip down to the $27,000 level, which I am highly anticipating for this month? Could it go lower? I think it's going to be this yellow line, guys, but I wouldn't be opposed to seeing Bitcoin go up to that $31,000, $32,000 level either, and hopefully see some altcoins like Binance and some of the other exchange tokens and your favorite altcoins go for a run. But there is a lot of FUD out there, guys, and so what do I think about the FUD? I think we ignore the FUD. I think we focus on who's winning right now, the race of crypto. Binance is certainly a winner in this race with a 4th ranking token in all the crypto market with the largest exchange out there. I don't think there's a lot of problems going on. Personally, let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. Guys, that's all I got on this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.